Hey everybody, welcome back. If you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Carly. It's very nice to meet you. Today in this video, I wanted to do a little bit of reflecting on 2018, do some looking forward into the new year, and set some intentions for 2019. So I went into my journal and I just basically allowed myself to write down everything that I wanted to associate with 2019. I wrote down random words, goals, feelings, emotions, just kind of who I wanted to be and the things that I wanted to do in 2019. And it turned into like 4 or 5 pages of just nonsense. So I sat down the other night and I looked over everything and I realized that there was kind of one overall theme or word that kind of encompassed everything that I wrote down. And that word for me is mindfulness. Mindfulness is something that I really found an interest in 2018. I started to incorporate mindful practices into my daily routine. I got into meditating, I started journaling, I really got into yoga, and just little things throughout my day that I really found made an impact on my mood and just how I felt every day. And I want that to carry into the new year. So these are my mindful intentions for 2019. My first intention for the new year is to prioritize self-care. Self-care is important. We hear it all the time. We need to take care of ourselves. For me, when life gets crazy, self-care is kind of one of the first things that I drop off of my list. When we're really busy, that's when we need self-care the most. That's when we really need to be taking care of ourselves. So in the new year, I want to make it a priority. I want to make sure that I am taking care of myself when I've got 5 papers due and life craziness is happening. I want to make sure that I am taking, whether it's a minute to just breathe or doing a face mask or going to a yoga class or journaling or anything like that, all of those little things that I feel like really center me, I need to prioritize that and make sure that self-care remains a pillar in my new year. The next intention that I have set for 2019 is to focus on sustainability. I have always been interested in environmental issues. It's always been something that I've found quite terrifying, to be honest. It's been something that I have been overwhelmed by. I've felt like it's an issue that's well beyond anything that I can do to help. But I found the zero waste movement, I found the low impact movement and all of those hashtags on Instagram this year, and I've realized that there's actually a lot that we can do. There's a lot that we can change in our daily habits that can actually make a pretty big impact on the environment. And that's something that I really want to focus on in 2019. For me, that means being mindful of where I shop and the brands that I support. That means eliminating single-use products. That means just reducing the amount of trash that I send to landfill. I want to just be more mindful and more sustainable and make that a priority in 2019 because there is no planet B, as they say. So we need to take care of where we live. I think it's really important. Another intention that I have set for the new year is to simply be present. I am a worrier. I'll be the first to admit it. Throughout my entire life, have always focused so much on all the things that could possibly go wrong. And what if this happened? And what if this really terrible thing happened? But what if everything goes right? Worrying about things just really doesn't do you any good, but ruin the moment that you're in right now. So I want to cut that in 2019. I want to just focus on being present. I want to think about what is in the moment right now, what can I do, and just deal with what comes when it comes because it's coming whether we want it to or not, basically. Another intention that I have set for the new year is focusing on creating and less consuming. I personally start my day on my phone. I check my email, I go on Instagram. I know that's not good, so that's a habit that I really want to break, but I feel like I personally consume a lot of information throughout the day on social media, and just information is everywhere. And I am a very creative person, and I feel like I forget that sometimes. And being creative really kind of fuels me and it makes me feel like myself, and I want to prioritize being creative in 2019. I want to try new creative things. I know that I really love singing, but I want to try painting. I want to try a pottery class. I want to just take more photos. I just want to be more creative throughout my day, more regularly. I want to make sure that the people that I am following and the content that I am consuming is stuff that makes me feel good. It's stuff that's positive. So more creating, less consuming, and just more consuming good stuff than bad stuff. Because you don't need to follow Victoria's Secret models. You really don't. My last intention for the year is to say yes to more things. I am not somebody who has to worry about saying yes to too many things. I know there are people out there who feel obligated to say yes. I am not one of those people. I am a homebody. I have my little circle of people that I love spending time with. I love spending time by myself. I have a comfort zone that I don't really venture out of too much. And that's something that I really changed in 2018. I said yes to a lot more things. I tried things that I never thought I would try. I was out and was social more than I have been in a while, and it felt really good to just meet new people and try new things and have new experiences, and that's something that I want to continue in the new year. I want to go on little adventures and go on trips and see new places and just say yes and see where that takes me, because I feel like good things will happen when I do that. So those are my mindfulness related goals and intentions for 2019. I feel like mindfulness has really impacted me in a really big way this past year, and I feel like that's going to just continue into 2019. I feel like you're gonna see that influence the content that I make on this channel. So if that is something that also interests you, make sure you are subscribed, because I'm excited about where these intentions and where these goals are going to take me in the new year. If you have set any goals or intentions, please leave those down below. I would honestly really love to read those. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you very soon in a new one. Bye.